Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I do my go-to makeup look, my everyday makeup look, where I'm just on the go but I still want to look cute, or I'm going to work, wherever the case may be, but it's not too much going on, but it's still kind of glam. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to leave everything that I use to do my eyebrows in the description box down below. Make sure you guys like this video as well as subscribe down below so you guys can keep up with my future videos. And I'm not going to ramble too much. We're just going to get started. So if you guys have been watching my videos, y'all know that this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in espresso. I like using a foundation stick for like my go-to makeup look because it's so easy to just put on, and you don't have to worry about putting the liquid foundation on your hand, putting it on a beauty blender. You just use this, put it on your face. It's real quick and you keep it moving. So I just take the Mario Badescu skincare setting spray and I just spray my face just to kind of make the foundation a little bit more wet. What that does is just loosen up the foundation so I can blend it easy. So next I am taking my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NC45, and I am going to use this to conceal my under eye. I like this concealer because it's like a natural look. It has like a warm undertone to the concealer, so it's not as light and it looks extremely natural still. Okay, so now that that's blended out, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent and set my concealer. And when I'm setting my concealer, like I said, I don't put a lot of setting powder under my eye, especially if I'm trying to do like a neutral or my go-to makeup look. And as you guys have noticed, I did not put on primer. I don't always put on primer because I have dry skin, so sometimes I really don't need primer, especially if I'm doing like a quick makeup look like this. So now that I set that, I'm just going to take my True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance, and I'm going to take the darkest shade, and this is the darkest shade, and it's called Contour. And normally I don't use a cream contour to contour my face unless I'm doing more of a dramatic look, but for my simple look I just use powder. Still need to contour this head despite this hair just a little bit because I got a big forehead, y'all. To set everything, I'm just going to take my Smashbox powder foundation powder. I do that all the time. Like, I don't know which one to call it, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. And I'm just going to use this to set my makeup. And normally I put this all over my face and on my eyes because I really don't do too much to my eyes when I'm doing my go-to makeup look. Okay, so I'm going to take two setting sprays, and the first one is the Urban Decay Quick Fix setting spray. It's the the Hydra Charge setting spray. And then I take Cover FX, the Illuminating setting spray. The first one I'm going to take is this one. Spray it. And I'm taking this one. For my highlight, I'm going to take the MAC Whisper of Guilt, if you can see that. It's kind of bright. And I'm going to highlight this face. Okay, so I applied my lashes off camera. So now we're going to go into the lips. So this is MAC's Lip Pencil in Chestnut. Next I take the Butter Gloss by NYX, and it is in Ginger Snap. This is like the perfect nude for me. I love it. Then I take Praline by NYX, the Butter Gloss as well. And I just put this right in the center. So this is the finished look, you guys. This is what I normally do on a regular day basis if I want to wear makeup, like to work or going out of town, or sometimes even in my uniform, because as you guys know, I'm in the military. So sometimes I would like to put on a little bit of makeup. I don't want to look too dead, but at the same time, I don't want to look too done up. So I would do something like this and just wear a clear lip gloss or some chapstick while I'm in my uniform, or switch it up at work. You guys don't have to have a nude lip. You guys can do like a pop of color. I will do this look in a pop of color. So yes, this is the finished look. And this hair is just box hair. I went into the beauty supply store and I just got this wig. And I wanted to try a wig that is still of good quality, or you know, decent quality, and at a cheaper price, because I'm thinking about buying a whole bunch of wigs that are like a cheap price and see what I can do with them and just film it up here. So that's probably gonna come in the future. So yes, this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just make sure you guys subscribe. Also like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.